Hey guys, thank you so much for joining this video. Let's start. We all had days where all you wanted to do absolutely nothing, just wanted to be lazy and not worry about any of your responsibility. We all had days where we were lazy. It's very normal to feel like this, but we live in very competitive society, hyper focused on pursuing success that it makes us feel intentionally guilty on the time we spend not working towards anything productive. Overwork, exhaustion, dealing with chronic stress, it will have inevitable adverse effect on our mental and emotional health. But what if this could be more than laziness? This could be a sign of depression. Six warning signs of depression that are more than just laziness. You can't snap yourself out of it. A sense of laziness usually creeps in when you are overly stressed or if you have been working too hard for too long. There is a lot of nifty tip and trick you can use to stop yourself out of it, like making to-do list, listening to motivational talk or setting goals. When it is depression, depression is not a choice and it's definitely not something you can just shake off. No matter what people say, depression is a serious mental illness that needs to be treated properly. You can't cheer yourself up. Do you often struggle with feeling of unexplained loneliness, sadness and hopelessness? Do you feel exhausted all the time and rarely have any energy? And for a reason you just don't understand and nothing you do seem to cheer you up or make you feel even better? No amount of sleep, comfort food, self-care activity or fun time with friends. You lost interest in everything. If you found that your laziness has made you lose motivation and interest in everything, including school, work, even in fun, this is a sure sign that something is serious wrong with your mental health. Depression, tend to lose interest in your hobbies, and you prefer to lock yourself or stay at home and do nothing because you just don't care about anything else. Do you feel that your laziness is getting out of your hand too much for you to manage your work, your school, and your personal life? Oftentimes, your laziness becomes procrastination that may be brought up by the number of reasons. Some believe that laziness comes from lack of self esteem or lack of positive attitude, or lack of discipline, self control, or interest. But what about depression? Well, it's really not that clear. Well, if you feel less positive, have low self esteem, depression can be the reason for that. Laziness is not a choice. The main difference between laziness and depression is that laziness can be changed, but depression, you don't have any control on that. When you feel exhausted or lazy, you can do different tasks to cheer you up, like read books, take a nap, go online. But when it is depression, none of the thing will change your feeling. When you are depressed, it is not that easy to change that. When you have depression, you are not the one making choice to be depressed or to stay depressed. No one do depression for attention. Mental illness goes much deeper than that. If you can relate any of the sign or you know any person having these sign, don't shy and reach out to medical or emotional cure. Please like and share this video if you like it. Thank you.